morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.3% in the last session. Stochastic has skyrocketed into the positive zone. Bitcoin has gained 0.8% in the last 2 sessions. The ATR is strengthening and is now giving a high volatility signal. The price of gold has gained 1.1% in the last 2 sessions. The ADX is giving a positive signal. The price of crude oil has added 0.6% in the last session. The CCI has bounced upwards into positive territory.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Gold prices opened the week with another fresh 8-year high, but buyers so far appear to be approaching the matter cautiously. The euro is rallying as the EU summit enters its 4th day, mainly supported on high optimism that EU leaders have made enough progress over the recovery fund. MasterCard is reaching out to cryptocurrency firms and encouraging them to apply to become partners as part of its newly expanded cryptocurrency card program.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The U.S. MBA mortgage applications will be released at 900 GMT, the Canadian CPI at 1030 GMT, the U.S. existing home sales at 1200 GMT, the U.S. crude oil inventories at 1230 GMT, the Japanese manufacturing PMI at 2230 GMT, and the Australian retail sales at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.